Only 10% can ace this science and nature quiz. Are you one of them? What is the atomic number of uranium? The answer is 92. What is the half-life of uranium-235? The answer is 703,800,000 years. Which of these is not a bone found in the human arm? The answer is tibia. What is the medical term for low blood sugar? The answer is hypoglycemia. Which of these is not a part of the structure of a typical neuron? The answer is islets of Langerhans. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Follow us for more fun quizzes and challenges.